Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we will explore 20 powerful and productive Lisp routine. Lisp routines is generally created for a particular concern. In case if you want to automate your repetitive task, then you can very smoothly generate your own custom Lisp routine, which will help you a lot to speed up your work. So we will explore 20 powerful and productive Lisp routine, which I personally appreciate. We will explore from the very beginning. Must watch out completely. We will apply practically one by one. Okay, must download AutoCAD Lisp book 100 advanced automation tasks. This book will help you a lot to memorize these critical commands and will help you to find out your particular concern where you want to automate, where you can automate your own, your personal work as per this custom Lisp routine. So without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1, 3-point rectangle. As you can see here, I want to provide 3-point rectangle. Normally we have 2-point rectangle, okay? In case if we have tapered area, in that area how we can provide 3-point rectangle. Okay, as you can see here, I will take command 3PR. As you can see here, I will take first point, second point, and let this here just by drag. As you can see here, same as this, first point, second point, and third point. Same as this, first point, second point, and third point. Here also, same as it is. So this way, very smoothly you can provide 3-point rectangle, something like this. Very smoothly and very quickly. And second thing, we have another option. I will take command 3PRD. Okay, with drag option, first point, second point, and just by dragging which side you want, and it will highlight also. As you can see here, same as it is here also. As you can see here, same as it is. You can just by dragging place your rectangle. So 3-point rectangle you can create in tapered area where you are not getting straight. So in that area you can simply create 3-point rectangle with the help of this Lisp routine very smoothly. Number 2, quick boundary. I want to create quick boundary, inner boundary. As you can see here, this block we have multiple block overlapping. Quick boundary I want to take it out from the block wherever we are getting edges. Let this simply Q command, click inside and click outside where you want. As you can see here, same as it is, click inside and just take it out, click outside. So this way you can take it out quick boundary entirely. This will help you to take out your area statement quickly, your area, your plot, your closed P line. If you have multiple block, you can take it out this way. Number 3, super calculator. I want to calculate plus, minus, division, subtraction, whatever. Let this CA command and simply plus. Okay. Now select your entire digit, enter, and just click where you want your addition. As you can see here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. I do not require any manual process. Same as it is. Let this multiplication command, select your entire digit and just click where you want. As you can see here. So we are getting this value. Same as it is. We will see another option with subtraction. Let this subtraction after CA command. Now just simply select your entire digit, which one you want to subtract. As you can see here, we are getting our subtraction over here. So this way quickly you can calculate something like this. Number 4, text case. If you have multiple text separately, lowercase or uppercase, I want to change completely in one time. As you can see here, this lowercase we have, lowercase, I want to uppercase. Let this case command CASE and press U for upper. Select all, as you can see here. So this way you can change uppercase, lowercase for your text. Same as this case command, I want to lower. Let this L, select entire text, enter, as you can see here. So this way, very smoothly by case command, by pressing L for lower, by pressing U for upper. Let this again U for upper, as you can see here. So entirely you can do this way very smoothly and very quickly, as you can see here, in just one time. Number 5, background. I want to change quickly my background, white to black, black to white. BGW command, which is background white, as you can see here. So I am getting white background quickly. So better to preview your PDF or any printing, you can check out this way also your drawing. Let this BGB, background black, background white, very smoothly you can switch this way. Number 6, break line. I have 3 options to break line. We will see one by one very smoothly. Let this BL1, okay, and just provide where you want, as you can see here. So this way I can provide break line. We have other option, BL2 command, and take complete rectangle which side you want, as you can see here. Same as this, BL3 command, and you can place over here, as you can see here. So this way, very smoothly and very quickly. Number 7, break points. I want to break points, each line to the point, okay. Let this break at, okay. This P line we have, I want to break to the point, okay. Let this here, as you can see here, it got break. Same as this, I want break here. So I can just click to the point after break at command, as you can see here. Now it got break. So very smoothly, very quickly, you can break your line to the point in just one time, as you can see here, very smoothly and very quickly. I will apply over here also. So this way I can very smoothly break my line to the points. Number 8, change cursor. I want to change cursor, not UCS, WCS. Change cursor only. To change ortho line, ANG command, click over the line, which direction. Now I will take ortho line, it will go as per this direction, as you can see here. In case if you have tapered plot or tapered area, you are designing something, so you can quickly change your cursor to provide ortho line as per your angle, as you can see here. Same as it is here also, I will provide. So I am taking ortho line going as per this rotation angle, as per this cursor. So I want to take it back, so I can simply provide something like this. Number 9, convert arc into multiple segments. Okay, let this ARTL command and select your arc, enter. As you can see here, you are getting arc with multiple segments over the P line, something like this, as you can see here. So this way you can convert your arc into multiple P lines. Number 10, coordinates. I want to provide coordinates quickly, north and east. I will take command CD, okay, and just provide which side you want. You are getting north and east. So this way I can simply provide coordinates something like this, as you can see here, very smoothly and very quickly. I am getting north and east both in one time with arrow mark, something like this, as you can see here. So this way very smoothly and very quickly you can provide coordinates north and east in just one time. Number 11, cross mark. I want to provide quick cross mark quickly at a time. Let this DF command, okay, first point, second point, as you can see here. Just provide distances. Let this 5 unit, length, let this 5, as you can see. So quickly I can provide mark over the cross mark, any area I want to provide it specifically. So this way I can simply place in just one time. Number 12, distance line. I want to provide distance line, okay. Let this DL10 command, first point and second point. For example, you have 1000 unit distance, so you are getting each distance 10 unit because we have taken DL command with 10 digits, as you can see here. In case if I want to change this width, what I will do, we will see very smoothly. With the help of this Lisp routine, let this DL10 command and let this here. So you are getting each line with 10 units, as you can see here. In case if I want to change this unit, what I will do, we will edit little bit, okay. Let this Lisp routine, okay, open here. Now if you see here, you are getting A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 10, okay. Nothing you have to do, just let this 15, I want to provide 15 unit, okay. And you can customize your command also. Let this DL 15, simply save. Now keep again over here. Again we will apply, we have changes the command also, DL15, as you can see here. Now if I will take dimension, we are getting 15. So this way you can provide distance length exactly as per your custom widths in just one time, as you can see here, very smoothly and very quickly. I will take DL15 as much as I want. I can simply place something like this as much as I want. As I said, you can simply customize your Lisp routine to provide a specific distance. Before we have provided 10, later on we have edited with 15. Number 13, hash boundary. I want to provide hash boundary quickly. This multiple hatches we have. We do not have boundary, okay. I want to provide in one time. Let this hatch B command and simply select entire hatch, enter. As you can see here, in one time you can very smoothly create hatch boundary. You do not require to go inside hatch edit. Number 14, hatch area. I want to take it out quickly how much hatch area I am getting. In case if inside missing something, as you can see here. So I will take command hatch area. Okay, I will click over the hatch. So this is the area covering your hatch, total area. Same as it is, I want this one also. Let this hatch area, as you can see here. Same as it is, I want this one also, as you can see here. Same as it is, I want this one also, as you can see here. So in one time I can provide hatch area. In case if there is gap, it will only calculate your hatch covering area. It will not calculate entirely if inside something somewhere missing. Number 15, pick coordinates. CR command and just provide to the point, as you can see here. So you are getting in one time your coordinate something like this, as you can see here. So very smoothly, very quickly you can provide pick coordinates in just one time, north and east, very smoothly, very quickly. Number 16, quick number. I want to provide quick number. Let this put numbers, okay, and starting number 1, increment by 1. Text height you can provide here 1. Let this insertion point 1, 2, just you have to click, it will increase automatically, as you can see here. Same as it is, if you want to change step increment like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this, let this put numbers, starting number 0, 1, increment by 2, text height let this 5 unit. Now 1, 3, 5. Why we are getting like this? Because we have placed increment number 2. So it is counting like that. Number 17, tool commands. I want to check entire tools command. Let this alias command and simply you can take it out entire tools with the command, as you can see here. So quickly you can check out your entire commands with tools. As much as we have in AutoCAD will come something like this, as you can see here. In just one time, by alias command, you can very simply check out your complete commands, tools in just one place, complete listing, as you can see here. Entirely, I am getting something here. Number 18, total area. I want to calculate area for entire closed P line. Okay, let this area RON command and simply provide one time scale for your text, let this 0.5. Decimal after the digit, let this 2. Select entire closed P line. As you can see here, in just one time you can simply take it out your area for entire closed P line. Number 19, total length. This multiple object we have, I want to take it out. Total area, let this add length, total length, let this add length. Enter. As you can see, this is the total length for entities. You are getting 4. Total length for this 4 entities you are getting this much. So this way very smoothly you can check out your length. Number 20, twisted pair. This twisted pair we have, I want same another one. Okay, simply I will take command WIST. What you have to do, just put one time diameter and select the degree. Let this degree 45. Pick first point and second point, as you can see here. So you can create twisted pair in just one time, something like this, very smoothly, very quickly. So this way you can utilize your Lisp routine. Ask with Abu Hamza. I will take command ASK. Okay, you have to ask with me with CAD concepts anything. There is a email you can contact me. In case if you have anywhere any query, definitely you can contact this email. Must download AutoCAD Lisp book, 100 advanced automation tasks. This book will help you a lot to memorize these critical commands and will help you to find out your particular concern, where you want to automate, where you can automate your own, your personal work as per this custom Lisp routine. I hope you got this video. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have anywhere any doubt, leave your comments. As soon as possible, I will reply your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.